Welcome. In this video, we will explore the concept of 270-degree rotation in coordinate geometry. Specifically, we will learn how to rotate a point counterclockwise around the origin. First, let's understand what a 270-degree rotation means. It is a counterclockwise turn that covers 3/4 of a full circle. Interestingly, rotating 270 degrees counterclockwise lands you in the exact same spot as rotating 90 degrees clockwise. Here is the golden rule you need to remember. When you rotate a point x, y by 270 degrees, the coordinates swap positions, and the new y coordinate changes its sign. So y becomes y, negative x. Let's visualize how the quadrants change. A point starting in Quadrant I will skip past Quadrant II and III, landing all the way in Quadrant IV. Essentially, the point moves 3 quadrants forward in a counterclockwise direction. Let's try an example with point A at 3, 2. Following our rule, we swap 3 and 2. Then, we change the sign of the second number. So 3, 2 transforms into 2, negative 3. What if we start with negative numbers? Let's rotate point B at negative 2, 4. First, swap them to get 4, negative 2. Now, negate the second number. Since it was already negative 2, it becomes positive 2. The result is 4, 2. It is often helpful to remember that a long 270-degree turn to the left is just like a short 90-degree turn to the right. Both rotations use the exact same formula. Y becomes y, negative x. Now test yourself. Where would the point negative 5, negative 3 land after a 270-degree rotation? Remember to swap and then negate the new y value. The answer is negative 3, positive 5. To wrap up, remember that a 270-degree counterclockwise rotation is a 3/4 turn. The key to solving these problems is to swap the coordinates first, then change the sign of the second number. Here you can see the rotation applied to an entire shape. Notice how the triangle maintains its size and shape, but changes its orientation as it moves from the second quadrant to the first. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.